Humanities 101 Final Project by Lenise Hagler. What is the value of art in the 21st century? It is often forgotten over the years how important art is to humanity or mankind. We frequently live our day to day lives not knowing how art can and always will play a significant role not only in our culture but our core values. I would like to direct my audience to anyone who is ignorant to the importance of the art, such, such as the movement Save the Arts. This painting is not actually a part of the project, but it is an opener. This painting brings great joy to me. The artist of the painting is Ernie Barnes. A photograph called Migrant Mother, taken by photographer and artist Dorothea Lange in the year 1936. 1936 was no ordinary year. It was during a time era known as the Great Depression, in which the United States witnessed an awful recession that left many people without jobs, money, food, and resources. Lange was one of many photographers who was hired to go around and take pictures of people during this era. This photograph speaks to intrinsic value. It evokes pain. It is important for us to see this photo today because it shines a light on what was going on during this period. What do you think a photo of 2020 would look like in 30 years? An oil on canvas painting titled A Sunday Afternoon on the Island of La Grande Jatte by artist Georges Seurat during the years of 1884 until the year 1886 when it was finally completed during the Neo-Impressionism era. While looking at this painting, I must add I do not feel anything. I don't see why it is important, but I know somewhere out there to someone it holds significance, which is why this painting falls under the term of subjectivist theory of value, because the worth of the painting depends on who is viewing it. A revolutionary musical named Hamilton, which is written by Lin-Manuel Miranda in the year 2015. This play displays extrinsic value because the story is about all the people who fought and paved the way for American history. The values they fought for made it possible to enjoy the pleasures, intrinsic values, of a newly established country. I personally love this work of art because it's a classic story told with a modern twist. Cloudgate, which is also called the Beam. Cloudgate is a sculpture in the round, sculpted by architect Sir Anish Kapoor. He started working on it in February 2004 and was finished in late 2006. Cloudgate is mostly constructed of stainless steel. It is placed in Chicago, Illinois, and this sculpture represents objectivist theory of value because it invokes excitement. It does not have any real purpose except to draw in the bystanders' attention, especially from tourists. It's also called the bean for its shape, and I really think it's a nice sculpture. The song Lift Every Voice and Sing, written by poet James Weldon Johnson, is widely known for being the Negro's national anthem, which was later called the Black National Anthem. James wrote the words in the year 1900 as a poem originally. The poem was then adapted into a song by James' brother John R. Johnson. The first time the song was performed was actually for President Lincoln's birthday. This song and or poem incites intrinsic value due to the emotion put into the words and the deep cultural meaning to the African American community. That concludes my final project. I would like to take the time to thank everyone who's watching, and I would also like to let everyone know, if you're wondering how important art is, if you're thinking about or have been thinking about taking any type of humanities class, I highly suggest it. It will help you realize that everything you touch or see in day-to-day life may be art. It'll help you appreciate art even more. Thank you.